Hello everyone, I'm Sandeep Kapoor from Medical Profession. Today I'm here to talk about a pandemic disease, COVID-19 coronavirus. As you all know, these days this coronavirus is a very dangerous and threatening every human body in these days worldwide. So, first of all, I must say, and I thought the same way, that there are some questions which are coming in every mind, and those questions are today I'm here to discuss about all the things about coronavirus. So the first question, what is coronavirus exactly? Okay, so coronavirus is a virus which belongs to the family of the virus, okay, which starts from normal cold cough to coronavirus, the dangerous coronavirus, which comes from normal cold to coronavirus. Okay. The second question, important question, is from where this coronavirus came. Okay. Important question because I think in India not everyone knows about this. Okay. Especially these kind of viruses like coronavirus is circulating in animals, and some of the viruses in animals have a caliber to transfer from animals to human body, the big thing. And this one is the basic reason these days, especially for coronavirus, which is coming in human body. So the capability of transmitting from animal to human body, some viruses have a caliber of this, and these kind of viruses are coronavirus. Okay, great. And we also call these kind of events as a spillover events sometimes. Thank you. So, and I must say these kind of spillover events are really dangerous for all human beings. The another question which comes in every mind, important question, these are really very important questions these days. How can I help protect myself from a coronavirus? Important question. Okay, first of all, these coronavirus cause especially respiratory system of the human body. Yes, very much dangerous these days. So I would recommend a few points to take care about yourself from this coronavirus these days. First is respiratory hygiene, the first point, and second is the washing hygienes. Like, first I talk about the washing hygienes. What are the washing hygienes? I must say, I communicate to you regarding this. Washing hygienes are the hygienes, I must say. Wash your hands regularly, wash your hands very frequently in a day. Once you touch anything, some metals or some household things and all, please wash your hands carefully and wash your hands very frequently. Wash your hands, wear your this you know wash clothes, sometimes use the mask, and make yourself hygiene. Keep your everything, your house, your office, your workplaces, if where are you right now, keep them very clean first of all. And the second one is respiratory hygiene. And what is respiratory hygiene? If you sneeze, if you sneeze sneeze like this only on your elbow, like this. Don't sneeze in openly, because if you sneeze openly, so this virus can be communicated very easily to anyone. And I must say these viruses we cannot see by our own open eyes. These are not visible by the open eyes, normal eyes, right? So first is washing hygiene, and the second one is respiratory hygiene, very much required. So another important question I must say is there any treatment of coronavirus? So unfortunately, no, there is no treatment of coronavirus till the date. But yes, fortunately, and the good point is, symptoms of coronavirus are treatable. Yes, symptoms of coronavirus are treatable. Yes. So after all these basic questions regarding coronavirus, there are few things, few confusions in every mind of Indian worldwide. And the first one is what to do at home in all locking period time. Yes, 21 days lockdown period, and it can be continued for a long. Depends on the situation of coronavirus these days. So the big question, you can sleep 2 3 4 days, you can enjoy your sleeps and all, but yes, in 21 days what to do? Yes, I would suggest few things which is related to your emotional things, few things which is related to your physical things, few things which is related to the thought process, and there are different things. So first of all, I would say, what is lockdown? In lockdown period, we all have to maintain, first of all, social distancing. Social distancing is the first point with which we can, take care about coronavirus these days. If we maintain social distancing, we can keep away these coronavirus symptoms. Okay, we can save ourselves, from this pandemic coronavirus COVID-19, because social distancing can break the chain of coronavirus of viruses these days. Okay, first point I would say, what to do at home. First, my first point is exercises. You know, uh, I would say, in this very competitive world, hardly we people are getting time for ourselves, for family, for parents, for children, for life partner, and especially for our hobbies. So I would request to all of you, first, if you are staying at home, start doing some basic exercises to keep you healthy, to maintain your body healthy. And these exercise should be, you can start with yoga, meditations, some stretch exercises. These are the basic exercises. You can do jumping, skipping, you can do push-ups and all. But stretch exercises and all, you know sometimes these kind of exercise gives you, you know inbuilt happiness, because these exercise creates some different positive enzymes in your body, and provides you good happiness. At the same time, with exercise you can maintain your health, and you can keep yourself very happy. Okay. And the second time, as I already told you, we are hardly getting time for our family in this competitive world. So spare this beautiful and this very quality time for your parents. First, for your parents, talk to them, ask about their life, and so on. Different things you can talk to your parents personally, socially, you can discuss. You can spend your very good time with your parents. Second, you can talk to your children, and sometimes children are your teachers. Sometimes children teaches you so many different things. They gives you so many experiences, positive experiences. So talk to your children, talk about their studies and all. And third one, spend your quality time with your life partner, right? Talk emotional things, talk all personal things, and discuss all pending matters with your life partner, to keep your life in a very good way. So these are the things which we can spend at home. But after that, I would say, everyone in this world having their own some hobbies. Some of the hobbies are coming from childhood to now. But yes, in this very competitive world, we are hardly getting time to spend our quality time for our hobbies. The hobbies may be like playing instruments, singing, listening music, and indoor games like carom board, table tennis, and all. The hobbies can be n numbers of hobbies you have. But in these days, you people can spend your this time with your hobbies. So good time for your hobbies. You are getting, so spend your good time with your hobbies. Yes. Reading books, spiritual books, all positive books. I must say, please read all aspirational books, like read the biography of those people who are success in their life, who are successed in their life with their hard works only. They were poor at the time of childhood, but by only their hard work and their enthusiasm and their aspirations of the life, they are success now. So read the books for those people, read spirituality, read all good books, right? Because reading good things gives you some positiveness, and in this the environment of negativity, you can put yourself in a good positiveness. So read good things these days. So I would say to all of you, please spare all these times for your family, for your hobbies, for your reading time, and to make yourself happy. So these are the things I would suggest to all of you. But at the same time I would like to say one very important and bullet point, which is very important apart from all this. Dear all Indians, dear all worldwide people, dear all Indians, please forget every religion these days. A pandemic disease cannot ask you about your religion. You know, these disease cannot ask from anybody about the religions. Everyone, every people, all the Indian people are, first of all, they are the human body. So think as a human body and forget Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. Only one point, humanity. So I would say our Indian government, especially our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, and the chief ministers of the different states are doing the fantabulous job for this coronavirus. This coronavirus, for this especially coronavirus, please follow government instructions. Don't fight with each other just because of the religions. So religions is not required right now. This time only requirement is social distancing. So please stay at home, stay safe. So I would say first save yourself, then save your family, then save your state, then save your nation. So जान है तो जहान है. Use this quote every time. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai सब भाई. जान है तो जहान है. Follow all government instructions and maintain hygiene. Only one point I would suggest and request to all of you: maintain social distancing. Don't go outside. Yes, necessary things are required to take from outside, but try to avoid to go regularly in the markets. Go once in a week and take all necessary things for a week. Can save your life, your family life. So at last I would say, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay home. Thank you very much. Please follow my this talk is for every human body, not for any religion. Thank you.